Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hammad and today I will discuss about how to write opinion essay in IELTS Academic Writing Task 2. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we are starting to write an opinion essay. So first of all, in opinion essay, you will start by introduction. The first thing is you have to write an introduction. In introduction, you have to write three statements, three sentences. Whereas first statement is concerned, you have to write the journal statement regarding topic, right? The second sentence you have to paraphrase the you have to paraphrase the topic which is mentioned in this question. And the third thing what you have to do, you have to write the thesis statement. So in your introduction, you have to write these three things, these three sentences, general statement in around one line, paraphrase one sentence, and thesis statement again in one sentence. Whereas opinion essay is concerned, you have to either agree or disagree. Let me show you first a template question of an opinion essay. Here you can see I have a sample problem of an opinion essay. You can see here some people think that university should provide graduate with knowledge and skills needed in the workplace. Others think that the true function of a university should be to give access to knowledge for its own sake, regardless of whether the course is useful to an employer. So this is your question statement. In first sentence of the introduction, what you have to do, you have to write the general statement about what they are asking for, like universities graduate, okay, in working place, regardless of the course is useful to an employer. This thing. And second, you have to paraphrase this topic. How to paraphrase? Just you have to use synonyms. You have to write the same thing from here to here, but you have to use synonyms for that. And the last is the thesis statement. In thesis statement, you have to strongly agree or disagree, because here you can see what is the main statement where you can identify that it's an opinion essay or either or discussion of advantages or disadvantages. So this is an opinion essay. Whenever it is comes that to what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement, it means you are right. You have to write an opinion essay, and in opinion essay you have to give a strong agreement. I strongly agree or I strongly disagree. If you strongly agree, then you have to provide reason one and reason two, and if you strongly disagree, you have to provide reason one and reason two why you disagree. Okay, so this is all you have to write in introduction. Only three sentences. First sentence is to general statement or regarding topic. The second statement should be paraphrasing the topic, and the last thesis statement you have to give your exact opinion that I strongly agree with the point that university should provide graduates with knowledge and skills needed in the workplace, like that. Now move on towards second part, which is body paragraph. Okay, the next after introduction is the body paragraphs. In body paragraphs, first of all, what you have to do, first thing is you have to write body paragraph one. Okay, then body paragraph 2, and then body paragraph 3. Okay, these three body paragraphs you have to write. Next, and the last but not the least is the conclusion. And in conclusion, what you have to do again, the first thing is you have to restate topic. The second thing is restate opinion, and the last thing is prediction. Okay, so this is all the structure of writing an opinion essay, right? In body paragraph 1, you have to provide which thing? Let me show you. In body paragraph 1, if you agree with that statement, you have to provide here agreement. Let me write here. If I agree with the statement, so what should I do? You can also disagree, but if you agree, let's suppose, what you have to do, you have to provide a reason of your agreement. One reason. One reason of, of agreement. Why you agree? Okay. And second, you have to explain your reason. First of all, you have to provide one line for one reason of the agreement. What is the main reason? And then you have to explain your reason. And the third thing is you have to provide example of your reason. Okay. And last, you can conclude your reason. So these four things you have to write in body paragraph 1. Remember? Okay. Now move on body paragraph 2. As I mentioned you before, if you already agree, then in body paragraph 2, you must be agree because you have to provide the same thing. And if you agree, so you have to again provide the second reason of agreement, right? In body paragraph 2, again you are agree, but now you have to give uh, second reason of agreement. Same things which I wrote here. Okay, but here you can write second reason. In body paragraph 2, you have to provide second reason of agreement, then explain your reason, then again example, then conclude your reason. And then in body paragraph 3, what you have to do, you have to provide contrast para, contrast paragraph. Okay? Uh, what others people think. In body paragraph 1, you have to describe your agreement, that what you think, why, and why this is why you agree. And body paragraph 2, you have to provide second reason of agreement, why is this so. And in body paragraph 3, you have to contrast your agreement with other people's viewpoint, like what other people think regarding this situation, regarding your agreement. Either your agreement is only yours agreement, or other people also think about that. Agree should be a good option for that. If not, so you can also discuss disagreement of some papers in this paragraph. So this paragraph is for you, just you have to write. like however some people think, what other people think in one or two lines, that one. Okay, contrast paragraph. Like uh, what other people think, or you can say however some people, like that. Okay, so this is all about your how to write an opinion essay. Make sure your writing and introduction is around because overall you have to write your opinion essay in 250 words. So to complete these 250 words, make sure to write your introduction about 60 words, at least minimum 50 to 60 words. You can write 50 to 60 words. Whereas body paragraph 1 is concerned, again what you have to do, you have to write about 70 to 80 words. Again you can write 70 to 80 words for body paragraph 2, and body paragraph 3 again you can write enough, like 20 words, and in conclusion you can write 30 to 40 words. Enough. 30 words. So overall you can see here 50, then 70, 120, then again 70, 190, then 20. You can see here it becomes 210, and then 30 it becomes 240. So around 250. So around 250 to 280 words you can write. You can go above, like up to 300 or 320, not exceed more than 350 or 400. This makes your too lengthy your essay, and your reader feels not good. So make sure to always to write around 250 to 280 words, not less than 250. And if you write less than 250, like 240 or 245, 248, then there is a plenty. Then your marks must be detected. Then you will got less bands. Okay, so keep remember the word limit must approach you. Above 250, no, and not any issue. But if there is less than 250, definitely you will got less points. This is how you can write your opinion essay. If you have any question, you can leave the comment below. I will definitely give you answer. We already covered problem and solution essay, advantages and disadvantages essay, as well as discussion essay. And today we discuss about the opinion essay. So that's all for today's lecture. If you have any question, just leave a comment below. I will definitely answer your question. In upcoming lectures, we will also cover another type of essay, which is double question essay. Okay, and we will also cover writing task 1 of academic, which is how you can write report writing. There are also different types of report writing. We will also cover. Okay, and here also I mentioned you the uh, weightage of essays in IELTS academic writing task 2 is 60%, and you will the total band is 6 bands. You will mark out of 6 bands in your essay, while your report writing is concerned, report is out of 3 bands. Okay, opinion essay is 6 bands. 250 words limit, and this is an third type of essay, which is opinion essay. Opinion essay and the discussion essay. These two essays are most important in IELTS academic reading writing. Okay. Other type of essay might become, but the most important essays in writing for academic IELTS is opinion essay and discussion essay. That's all for today's lecture. Take care and bye bye.